With the symposium, what we've really tried to do is highlight that challenge and opportunity from a few different levels. So we have systems companies that are going to come in and talk about their requirements and how they see these large-scale computer and data centers being built out over the next few years, to try and motivate the component companies, which we'll also have represented to talk about what they're working on to meet the needs of the systems companies. And then we also have a good contingent of just pure academic or more academic research papers that talk about really enabling or even the word's used a lot, disruptive technologies that could really have a big impact on how we build optical interconnects, and could be completely different from how we do it today, but could really offer the promise of the real three parameters that need to be met in terms of building these big systems, which is super low cost, very, very high density, and very low power consumption. Because if you can imagine 1 million optical links, they better cost almost nothing, consume almost no power, yet give you the performance that you need. So it is a big challenge. So one other aspect of the symposium that we is related to the Computercom and Datacom symposium is we actually have a plenary speaker at OFC 2011 who's Alan Guerra from IBM Research, and he's the chief architect of some of the biggest supercomputers that IBM has built, and is an advocate for deploying optical technologies in supercomputers, and realizes the importance of components and developing the next generations of optics that will be required to build the machines that we need to build, from the standpoint of, you know, we need to build supercomputers to design products, to design drugs, for defense systems, and then the trickle down of commercial servers that are based on those technologies that initially get developed for supercomputers and the data centers that follow, and, you know, all the way down until eventually someday it makes its way into your PC. So having someone that can really talk about how optics impacts computer architectures and computer systems over the next years, I think, is a great thing at OFC, and it'll be a good plenary talk. We're also offering short courses this year to try and give people an opportunity to learn more at the technical level about how links are built and what the market is like. So the courses that we have, one of them talks about how you actually build an electrical or an optical interconnect at high data rates, and really what the advantages and disadvantages and the state of the art is on those. It's a very technical course. We have also Data Center Networking 101 that really will give people a background on how is a data center configured and wired, and how optics can really play in that, in addition to copper that's probably there today. And we also have a short course that talks about just how do you transition from copper to optical.